Do you find your ratchet straps looking like this every time you want to use them? Just an absolute mess? Well, I can make it go from looking like this to looking like this. Stick around and let me show you how. So everybody's got a set of ratchet straps that look like that, with the old tangled mess every time you want to use them. So this is how I store them, so that every time I use them, I don't have to fight the tangled mess. So what I do, I just fold these up over on top of the strap there, and then ended up putting it like that. You sort of have a bit of a 90-degree angle, just so you got access to the slot. Store that there, then I fold these ones over the same. Obviously, this will take a little bit longer if you've got a longer strap. So we just fold that over, and now you'll see I've got a bit of a tag there, right? So I'll leave that tag. It'll obviously be a little bit longer if you've got more strap, because that obviously gets wider. But anyway, I'll store that over the top. I poke that straight through the slot. Pull it out the other side. Wrap it around, back over the top, back through the slot. Crank it up. Job done. That's how you store your straps. See you later.